Hey guys, just want to give you a quick tutorial in case anyone has forgotten about how to submit or complete assignments. Um, so obviously you'll find all of your work up here in classwork. Alright, so this is what your page will look like. So when you get there, um, let's click on an assignment. Alright, so obviously my directions for that assignment would be right here. Um, this link will take you to anything that I've posted that you might need to use. So in case you didn't know, when I post this down here, you're going to need to click that link to open up the passage. Well, otherwise you're not going to be able to answer any of the questions. Now on an assignment like this, um, it's asking questions directly in the document. Now sometimes I might ask the questions directly right here. Okay. If you do see it directly in the document, I'd suggest what you should do is just go ahead and copy this entire assignment. So that way you can paste it into your own, because if everyone tried to edit that document, it wouldn't turn out so well for me to try to give feedback and to grade it. So you're going to click down here, View Assignment, and if you recall, when you're creating a new Google Doc, you go over here, right where the plus symbol is, Add or Create. You're going to go ahead. Now, if it's a research project and I say to put it in slides, it's simple. Just click slides. But for this case, you're just going to click Docs. You got to wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, you can click on your doc right here and go ahead now and you can paste what you just took from the other assignment. After that, you can go ahead and answer all of your questions that were posted. I'm just going to put a random thing here. You click Turn In when you're done. Okay. Now let's say you forget and you go back into the assignment here. Sorry, here. There's the Turn In button as well. Okay, so you can turn it in directly from your doc right here, or you can turn it in back on the original page with the assignment and the directions right here. Once you turn it in, that tells me that you're done. Then I can start giving feedback back to you, and I'll do so under private comments for you. Um, that's all that I had for you. If anyone is still confused about how to create a doc, reach out to me so I can help you maybe set up a one-on-one meeting. But I think most of you are able to do this by now, and if you're not, I'll continue to work with you to make sure that everyone's successful on their assignments. Okay, thanks.